to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. I know that we are doing things a little bit differently. Normally my makeup is not already done in my intro, but I forgot to film it, so this is what you got. This is the eyeshadow look we'll be creating today. We will be reviewing the new Essence Beauty Positive Vibes Only palette. So if you're interested in watching me create this eyeshadow look and review the new Essence Beauty Positive Vibes Only palette, please continue to watch. All right, so before we start, I went ahead and put some translucent setting powder under my eye, so that's what that is. That's what that cast is. If you've never had an Essence Beauty palette like me, I think that this is kind of cool. You have to like push this to open. It's like a lock for it. That's so strange. I've never seen anything like that on a palette before. But this is the color story inside. Very cute. This shade right here, I'm very interested to see what it does because that's such a strange thing to do. This shade right here is so cool to me. Like, what even is that? So obviously we're gonna do a green eyeshadow look. That's literally the only options that we have today. I dug my finger right into that, that pretty shattered shade. Oh my gosh, this is why we cannot have nice things. I'm a little nervous, to be honest with you guys, about this palette because there are just blues and greens. That's all there is. I'm going to put some swatches on the YouTube short, so if you're interested in seeing what this shade does right here, just as a swatch, you can go look there. But otherwise, we're going to get right into it. I am going to pull from another palette to get a transition shade because I don't feel like this is a good choice, and all the other shades are shimmers. So yeah, since Barbie's palette is right here, we are going to use this to pull a transition shade because there's a nice brown in here. We are just going to do one eyeshadow look today because I'm actually really short on time. We're going to mix these two shades right here, this one and this one, and this one, to make a nice transition shade. The brush we're going to use is just a Moto Pro blending brush. We're just going to take this shade and just put it into our crease to make a transition shade. Something subtle, not too crazy. How do you guys like the black hair? I'm like really into it. I've had red hair for like the past 3 years and I was like, bro, you need a change. You need a change. So why not start with the hair? Okay, perfect. So now I actually do want to try this checkerboard shade right here. Like, what even is this? I'm taking this. This is a e.l.f. Fluffy eye blender brush. So we're just going to take that and blend into that crease. And hello, look at this shade, you guys. Like, this was unexpected. So far so good. I like the way Essence Beauty is showing up today. If you guys are also interested in trying Essence Beauty, they're actually really surprisingly cheap. Like, I think this palette was like maybe $8. I don't know. I got a bunch of stuff from Ulta, so I don't remember exactly, but I was no more than like $10 for this palette. So pretty cheap. Pretty cheap if you ask me. The cheaper the better. Well, like with good quality too. Like cheap with good quality, the better. Gotta be specific. Gotta be specific about what you want. You know, don't want to put that out in the air. The cheaper, not the better, unless it's good quality. To blend out the outer corner right here, we're just gonna do like a subtle, like very, very dark, like outer corner. We're gonna use this shade right here. It's almost black, so I feel like we have to be extremely careful. We're gonna use this small brush. This is a Morphe X Cyan FF6 brush. So we're gonna just put this in the outer corner and blend. This is actually not as dark as I thought it would be. Now, we do have some fallout here, but I did take a lot of products, so who knows what the issue actually is with that, but yeah, it's fine. So I'm just gonna go back and forth between the two brushes, the one that we just used and the Morphe FF6 brush to blend out the outer corner. That's a pretty good blend. Really didn't take that much effort either, to be honest with you. It really didn't take much work at all. Let's repeat the same on the other side. Fabulous. Y'all remember that commercial?
Fabulous.
I do want to try to use all of the shimmers today, just because. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush and we're gonna go into this green shimmer right here. So we're gonna go and put this one here first. First of all, very little effort there. Very little effort. Maximum results. I love Essence Beauty. So far so good, you guys. I'm a huge fan. Hello, why didn't anybody tell me about this before? Why didn't anybody tell me that Essence Beauty is where it's at? They're putting it on for the girlies. I see why they don't have this in the stores now, because I never see Essence Beauty in Ulta. I only see it online, and I see why now, because girl, you are, they'd be walking away with you in the store. I know they would be. I'm gonna go back in with the eyeshadow C brush by e.l.f. and we're gonna go into this blue one right here. Let's see if we get the same results from this one. Y'all, I'm really into this look so far. So far, very cute. I'm not as much of a fan of this color as I was the green, but the quality of it is, yeah, it's the same. It's very, very high pigment, very nice. I really, really like the green one though. Huge fan. Top shade so far. It's like, it's giving. It's definitely giving welcome to the party, Essence Beauty, because you're staying. You're coming with me, you're staying here. And it says it's a good day to have a good day. See, good day to have a good day. They know what they was talking about when they made this. Positive vibes only. Let's go ahead and go into this last shade that we have not used. I think the only one we will not be using today, well, I know the only one we will not be using today is this gray one, because I just don't trust it to do the right thing. So I just don't. Shades like that, no thank you. So we're gonna use this one as like an eyebrow highlight or inner corner highlight. This is the small precision brush. So let's just put that here. You know when you go shopping and then you keep seeing something and like, maybe I should try it, maybe I should get it. So keep seeing it. Must be a reason. Yeah, girl, just get it, because I've been seeing Essence Beauty for a minute and I haven't gotten it for whatever reason. But it seems like the first time I try it, or I try anything new, hello, we're in love. We're in love. I love it here. I absolutely love it here. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to our eyeliner. We are still using the iMethod Beauty one. If you're new here, iMethod Beauty is one of my favorite brands for eyeliner, because they have this dual eyeliner. You get two of them because there's two stamp stencils for, or two little wing stamps for you to create a wing eyeliner look, and then the other side is a felt tip, and you get two because there's a wing for each side. So cute if you're interested in trying, because this is absolutely one of my favorites. I get it on Amazon and I'll link it in the description box below for you. Yeah, I've been using this for like the past couple years. Love them. Every time my hair gets dark, I just feel like I look like a whole brand new person. Like, girl, who is she? Is she Egyptian? What is she? Where's she from? Who knows? I mean, I know, obviously. Let me go ahead and add my lashes off camera and a lip color, and then yeah, we'll come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the Essence Beauty palette. All right, you guys, so this is the final look with eyeliner and lip color. All I did was add added some gloss and my favorite, Makeup Revolution. This is a brown whipped lip cream. Americano brown is the color. Love this one. I use it all the time. So yeah, that's just the lip color for today. I figured something more plain would be best for this eyeshadow look, because while it is giving baddie, we going to work, so we need to tone it down in some way, shape, or form. So yes, absolutely, Essence Beauty, positive vibes only. Chef's kiss, we need it. Run, don't walk to your nearest Ulta. Well, I guess you're gonna do it online, but you know, go online. And this little lock thing kills me. I can't, because it really does just kind of stay open and just like a locker. Pops open like a locker, and then you gotta lock it back, and then it don't pop open. So cute. This packaging is amazing. The shadow is amazing. Colors are cute. Price point is amazing. Yeah, you guys need it. We need it in our collection. We just do. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like this video. Let me know what you think about the eyeshadow look in the comment section below. Again, that eyeliner will be linked in the description box below for you, and you guys will see my face in the next one.